Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Theodore local and long-distance movers near me. When you're ready to hire a cheap Theodore moving company, 3 Movers is the right choice. Our team of movers will ensure you get the local or long-distance moving services you need. We provide all the help you need so you can relax as your things get moved quickly. If it's time to move, it's also time to hire us. Our team will make sure you get the services you need for your long-distance move, including packing services. We provide packing and unpacking services to help save you time and energy. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies will help to protect your things, no matter what you need to pack up. An on-time move. Our movers will show up at the correct time to ensure you get the help you need without delay on moving day. Upfront pricing. With a price quote from us, you get the cost estimate you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. If you want to worry less, trust us with your belongings during your move. We provide you with the right services for your relocation. Whether you're ready to relocate across the country or just one state over, we can help. Our team will make sure you get to where you need to go faster without all the stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Theodore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.